to set animated AOD like that on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. For that you need to go your setting, and from here you need to go the theme option, and now you can see the AOD. Press on AOD. Now here you can see a lot of AOD. Those are fixed image, and you can see the animated option, so you can also search here like animated AOD. Then you can see all of your animated AOD here. For example, you want to set this on. Now press on download. It's a free. So once done, press on apply. Then cloak or image. Now let's check it's working or not. You can see it's animated. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.